In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put on two shoulders accessories at the same time in Roblox. First, open Roblox on your PC. From the main menu, click on Avatar on the left side of the screen. Now go to the Accessories section and click on Shoulders to view your available shoulder items. To wear two shoulder accessories at the same time, click on the Advanced button. This will open a window where you can manually enter the asset ID of the items. Now, go back and click on any shoulder accessory you want to wear. At the top of your browser, copy the numbers. Return to the Advanced Accessories section in the Avatar editor and paste a number into one of the available boxes. Then click Save to apply it. Repeat the same steps for the second shoulder's accessory. Open the item, copy its asset ID, go back to the Advanced settings, paste the number in the box and save. Now, both shoulder items will appear on your avatar at the same time. If you'd like to grab some cool Roblox merch, check out the links in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy through it, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and I only link product that I think my viewers would enjoy. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.